Shemai, it's been a little while since I've had a ramble, but today I'm going to ask, does size really matter? And of course I am talking about ukuleles. So we'll sort out the size thing in a minute. I just wanted to have a little catch up as well, really. It's the end of January, I think, was the last time I had a Rambles. So yeah, we're at the beginning of May now. In fact, it was almost a year ago I made that video, the P45 video, where I explained what has been going on. And yeah, it's been a heck of a year since then, I've got to say. So things I am actually currently working on, apart from all the lessons I've set up in the primary projects and things, I'm working on a bass ukulele method book and working out some workshops to do at festivals and groups and things like that as well. So yeah, I have been a busy little bee. So yeah, since I spoke to you last, at end of January and February were quite quiet. March was manic. Isle of Wight with a Bracklesham weekend. That was brilliant. My first as an official member of the team. Thoroughly enjoyed that. The following weekend, Cool Hand Ukes had our first festival. That was brilliant, where lots of local clubs came along and joined in, and Jeff Japers played. And then the following weekend after that, Ukumaniacs had our first gig of 2025, where Sarah, our new drummer, played along as well. So March, just crazy. April was a bit quieter. Ukumaniacs had another gig. We returned the favour and played for Jeff Japers. He did a gig quite locally, and that was a lovely evening. And I've been really cracking on with getting resources sorted for workshops that I am already booked to do for this year and planning for the future as well. So that sort of brings us up to now. So what is happening ahead? Ukumaniacs are playing in the Pembrokeshire Ukulele Festival again in June. I'm really looking forward to that. And I'm doing a bass workshop that weekend as well. And Ukumaniacs are playing again on the main stage in Shrookfest this year. That, I can't wait for that weekend. Other things I am doing, I'm going to Dukefest in Worksop up in Nottinghamshire in July, and I'm going up to the Summer Strum on the Wirral also in July as well. And then we've got other various little gigs and things coming up, but as they're getting closer, I will let you guys know about them. And if you do see me out and about anywhere, come and say hello. So why do I ask, does size matter? Well, these are just some of the things that I have noticed. Some of them more recent, some of them from a while ago. So this isn't a lesson on ukulele sizes today. This is more of a ponder or a ramble. My thoughts on different ukulele sizes and other people's thoughts as well, and what is available and what's not available. So the soprano ukulele, this is my thoughts now, okay, and coming from an educational background as well. First of all, I always just thought soprano ukuleles were meant for children, really. So I do think there is definitely still quite a large market for soprano and smaller ukuleles. And you can see that when you're looking in the shops. Okay, most of them are down the lower end of the price, okay, but once you start looking at some of the handmade instruments and vintage smaller instruments, the prices are going up. So I started on a concert ukulele. That was my first main instrument, a cheap one, concert. I still play concert ukuleles daily, okay, and this is sort of part of my thing. I would describe myself as a concert ukulele player. I've got tenor ukuleles. We'll talk a bit more about that in a second. But yeah, if I am picking up a ukulele as a go-to concert, for me, it suits my hands better. But this is where I start to ramble a little bit, because I personally feel that you cannot get the same quality, or certainly quantity and quality, of concert ukuleles that you can get as tenor ukuleles. Now, I've played tenor ukuleles since I played ukuleles just about. I bought a cheap tenor not long after I started playing. I just find my hands tire a lot more on the bigger size scale, all right? And don't get me wrong, I play bass. I've got really strong hands. It's just the chord shapes on a tenor ukulele tire my hands out more than they do on a concert ukulele. So yeah, I'm looking to buy a better quality instrument. And there are just loads and loads of tenors around, but not so many concert ukulele size. I asked Juliana from Flight about this, and it's all down to money, I think. She basically said, the tenor size is the most popular, therefore, so many of the newer models they're making, they're only introducing them in tenor size. And I did sort of mention, say, well, you might be missing out on a trick there because people can't buy concert sizes if they're not available. They're only going to be able to buy the tenor size. I get it, and yeah, don't get me wrong, there are lots of good concert ukuleles around, just nowhere near as many as the tenor size. So I've gone to 3 different shops very quickly for you guys today. All right, we've got Southern Ukulele Store, we've got World of Ukes, those 2 in the UK, and then we've got the Ukulele Site, which of course is US in Hawaii. So let's stay in Hawaii for a minute, all right? What I'm going to actually look at is, where have we gone? Size and price, low to high for a moment, just to give an idea. So we've got sopranos, soprano long neck, concerts, and these are all relatively cheap ukuleles. We've got concerts, we've got tenors, all at the cheaper range as well, okay? You can see there's a lot of ukuleles. So certainly at the cheaper end, we've got a good range. Right, let's go up to the sort of mid-range, $500 up to $1,000. Again, let's go low to high, just have a little idea of what they got. We've got baritones, concert, tenor, concert. So mid-range, you're starting to see at the moment, there are a lot of concert ukuleles. We've got some more sopranos. Right, can we start to see now? We've got baritones, tenors, baritones, sopranos. All right, so up to about $1,000 there. Sopranos and, where have we gone? Baritones, there seem to be more of. Right, let's have a look at the expensive ones then. All right, again, I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm just going low to high to see what's available, just to have an idea. We've got some tenors around about 1,000, soprano, concert, soprano, concerts. Then we got some concerts, some more sopranos. So we got some very nice concerts going on here, some more sopranos. I know this is not a scientific method at all, but it does give an idea. Concert, tenor, soprano. We're up to about $1,500. Tenor, baritone, tenor, concert, tenor, baritone. Now we go in. We're almost up to 2,000. Concert, that's nice. Tenor, guitar ukulele, tenor, soprano, baritone. Concert, we're up to about 2,700. Super tenor, concert, tenor. Right, you can see, all right, there are a lot of ukuleles here. Tenor, baritone at the end, right? But we're up to almost $8,000 there. But what I have noticed, certainly from the Hawaiian brands or some of the K brands, Kamaka, Kanaleia, etc., is that they are not going so massive on the baritones, but tenor seems to be their main size, certainly for the more expensive ukuleles. I have had a little look in World of Ukes as well. You can see there, they've come up with soprano, concert, tenor, and then baritone and bass. So if we have a quick look, World of Ukes of sopranos. And remember now, none of these shops sell the really cheap ukuleles, certainly not on websites or anything. All right, we're talking Mahalos, the octopus ukuleles, that kind of thing. All right, so Matt's got some nice ukuleles from under £100. Going up to, let's have a look at the most expensive sopranos. He's got over 1,500 there, okay? Concert ukuleles next, again starting at under £100, £79 being the cheapest. And if I'm scrolling down, we're having a little look, we're up to 300, 400, 500 now, £700. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'd say 10 concert ukuleles. They're in the upper price bracket of over £1,000. Okay, so straight away,
all right, a lot more cheaper concert ukuleles, not so many more expensive concert ukuleles. Right, World of Ukes, we're on to the tenors now, starting again under £100, £85 for a nice Ohana DIY kit. But look, there's a Carla there for under £100 still, actually built. Okay, let's just have a little look. Now, it'll be interesting to see, because I haven't actually done this for a while, just to see how many tenor ukuleles there are now available. We're up to £400, £500 now we're at with these. And you can see there are a lot of tenor ukuleles. All right, so let's just have a little look for a second. There's the one, the break mark of £1,000 and a nui, but there. Let's just have a little scroll down to see how many more expensive ones. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 more expensive, or, you know, the upper price bracket of the tenor ukuleles. And yeah, I know tenors are bigger, therefore they cost a lot, but there isn't that huge a range because it's the same amount of work that goes in to build whatever size ukulele. And a quick look at the baritone ukuleles. Now, there are some basses mixed in with this as well, okay? If you're not sure, the difference is a different tuning, okay? So, Baton Rouge, £120, cheapest baritone he's got there. Scrolling down, we're at about £300, £400 here now. Scrolling down, and he's up to 1,500. Okay, so he's got two baritone ukuleles. But I do notice, but they're a certain brand. Yeah, there's a 5-ball from Flight there. He doesn't seem to have as many of the newer ones in. So not as many baritones in World of Ukes. And we'll finish with the Southern Ukulele Store. Let's have a quick look. First of all, then we'll go straight to soprano ukuleles. So soprano ukuleles starting at £55. And we're whizzing down. £250, £800, £999, and they've got a Kamaka for £1,400 in their sopranos at the minute. But can you see straight away how many more sopranos the Hawaiian site had? The more expensive ones anyway. So we're on to the concerts now at Southern Uke Store, starting at £69. Then let's have a little look. Oh, some of those Carlas are lush with those colours, I've got to say. We've got some nice Enyas there. We're up to £100. We're scrolling up to £200. So there's a lot of concert ukuleles at that lower price range. We're up to, see, suddenly now we jumped from £300, £400, £600. So straight away we see there seems to be a large gap at that point with the concerts. And obviously we can only look at what they have got in stock anywhere at the moment. £650, £850, £1,000, £1,030, £1,400, £1,500, £1,800. Okay, so yes, Southern Ukulele Store have got, let's say, 4 or 5 expensive, high-end concert ukuleles, but really not very many. Okay, tenor ukuleles at the Southern Ukulele Store. First thing I've noticed, there are quite a lot of them. Starting at £69, so you've got a few under the £100 range. Then we've got we're up to about £200 at the minute. We've got a couple of electric ukuleles starting to come in as well. 230. Then we're up to £300 just about there now. We've got Kuma, Anuma, and Flight. Kuma, Anuma. Okay. Scrolling down, still on tenors, okay? £400 we're at, just going up to 400. We've got some of the new Flight Navigators in, okay? We've got some Enyas, we're up to £500 now. Flight Comet are starting to appear. We've got some El Luthias coming in at £650, all right? These are all tenor ukuleles. Oh, I'm going to have to go back and look at that. Beautiful. Sorry. All right, so we've gone from, let's just have a quick, just to give an idea, between £500 and £1,000, okay? There's our 500 mark. All of these tenors are available. All sorts of different makes. I'm still going. There, we've hit £1,000. That's a lot of tenor ukuleles available between £500 and £1,000. And then over the £1,000, let's have a look what we've got. We're up to 1,500, 1,700, 2,000, 2,900, 3,400, 3,900. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 tenor ukuleles over £1,000. There are quite a few others floating around the £1,000 mark as well. But can we start to see how many more tenor ukuleles are being made at the higher end of the market? And the last one, the baritone ukes. As I said, I'm not a baritone player. I don't own a baritone ukulele. But this is just an idea. But even I've noticed how many more baritone ukuleles are being introduced into the market at the minute. So even the baritones start at under £100 or around the £100 mark. All right. You can see again, there are quite a few different makes there. We've got Numa, a Flight, a Snail, Carla. Let's have a little look.
We're down, £250 we're up to at the minute, okay. Yes, we've got a couple of electric ones floating in there. Then we've got some more Carla, flight, more flight. There we go, so we're at £350, £400, flight navigator, baritone size coming in, the Carlas, the Contour, CDs coming in. Now, both of those are relatively new into the ukulele scene, so that's at least two just there. New models of baritone ukuleles. You've got the 5-balls, you've got Snail, I do love that mark, I have to say. The Ollies, Oli, I wish I knew how to say it, sorry I don't. Fanners, okay, but we're not looking at electric ones at the minute. And then we're up to, let's just, sorry, scroll back, I was too busy chopping. Up to £929, £949, then there's a jump, 1,600, 1,900, and over 2,000. Well, that was all really quite interesting. I have cut down because I did end up rambling and looking at a lot of ukuleles. But from what I can take from that, there seems to be a good range of all size ukuleles, definitely. But for me, whenever I'm looking at concert ukuleles, I just think, oh, why can't they have that sort of price range that they've got for the tenors in the concerts as well? And as I said, Juliana said, well, it's all to do with what people buy. But again, you can only buy what is available. If you're not bringing out, like just some of the new models, bring them out in concert sizes as well. And I'm not just talking about flight, I'm talking about everybody here, okay? So yeah, really interesting to think about, does size matter? And yet, of course it matters in terms of playability. It does matter in terms of sound and things as well. But you have to think also, does it matter what is actually available? So what I want to know from you guys is, what do you play? You can by all means tell me why you play it and things as well, but I genuinely would love to know, just to have an idea in the comments, what size ukuleles people play. Please don't put, I play soprano, concert and tenor, okay? What I want you to do is choose either the one you play the most or your favourite size. So you can just leave one word, soprano, tenor, concert, whatever. If you want to tell me why it is your favourite and why it is the most played, that would be awesome. Cool, I'm going to leave it there now. I'm sure I've probably rambled on enough. Yeah, leave your comment below. And if you see me out about in a festival or a gig or somewhere, please do come and say hello. I love meeting people. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon site and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. I hope you've enjoyed my little rambles here. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.